A 4-year-old Detroit boy died when his cousin, who is also 4, accidentally shot him while playing with a rifle she found inside a relative's home.
4-year-old was transported to Henry Ford Hospital, where he was pronounced DOA at the hospital.
The children, whose names were not released, were visiting their grandparents' home Thursday afternoon when the 4-year-old girl found the gun. The boy was pronounced dead after being taken to a nearby hospital. The grandparents were not home during the incident and left the children in the care of a family friend.